Alright guys, check it out. This is an important video. In today's video, we're going to go over a couple different looks that Bitcoin is setting up for. I'm going to show you my primary count on the daily, but I'm going to show you a couple other things you really need to be aware of, guys. Big picture stuff. And then at the end of the video, we'll go smaller time frame. I'll kind of show you the immediate trades that I'm looking at as of right now. Been traveling the past couple days for the holidays, back up to New York to see family. So back at the grind. Got my little mobile setup ready to go. So back to the regularly scheduled videos for you guys. Subscribe to the channel for daily Bitcoin updates. This is Elliott Wave Theory. If you want to learn Elliott, just take the free course. I got a free boot camp right here in the free Discord. You need to just join the Discord pinned in the first comment down below. Take the free course, get a good overview of how I trade as well. So definitely take advantage of that, guys. It's free for you. Now, we're going to start off with BTC. We're also going to look at Sol and ETH as well and just compare the three. But for BTC, this is the overall count that I want to see. I really want to see this, guys. I want to see a clear 5 waves to the upside, in which we're in the middle of a series of 4 5s, 4 5s, 4 5s, just wiggling our way up. 120, 130, 140Ks is the target for this. And that's kind of the structure that I'm currently playing right now. I'm not playing any mega dumps, even though it is very clear in a couple charts that, and actually very threatening, that a mega dump is coming. For the short term, at least. For the short term. Overall, it's bullish, but short term, mega dump. And we'll go over that count. But for this, the most basic count, I'm a trader, guys. I want to trade these ups and downs here, these ups and downs. I hope we get this just so I can smash the ups and downs and we get a nice little consolidation range. I really hope we get this. Peak out beginning of next year, sell in May, walk away scenario situation where, we'd be looking to correct on a bigger degree around that time, middle of next year, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking at overall for BTC. Let me get rid of this. I'm going to show you a different look. Now, if we are to get a local top here, some type of a top has been put in. It is possible. I have had this count in the past. It's still on the table. I don't like it looking at the BTC chart alone, but when I look at alts, I'm starting to like it more and more. All right. Now, this is a flat correction where we have a correction down, a very extended C leg in our ABC to the upside. So correction down, correction up that broke the high. I'd be looking at an impulsive 5 waves to the downside. You would pull fibs on it like so. And, the 1-to-1 isn't too deep. And I'm not saying we have to come this deep. The 1-to-1 sitting at 72K here. This could impulse right down to 72K. That's still, a 30% dump. That's a pretty big dump, guys. And then really bullish to the upside. Because overall, this whole thing would be a flat. It's very apparent on the Solana chart. That would be my primary count for Solana. That's how apparent it is on that chart. But if we just get a simple, on the BTC chart, a simple impulse down to the 1-to-1 here, and then we can impulse up out of here and start hitting these higher targets, right, into next year. That looks good. It looks good. And in the overall grand scheme of things, it's really not that big of a dump, guys. It's just a healthy pullback, right? Let's look at Solana. Here's Solana on the daily, just for reference. This, in order for me to get an impulsive wave out of this, this would need to be your wave 4. Are we going to have this deep of a wave 4 correction after this deep of a wave 2? 1, 2? Not likely. You would want to have seen this kind of consolidate up here and give us a wave 5. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? We're not getting that. We're getting a real deep cut right here, guys. Real deep cut. And it's looking more and more like this is a 1 into a 2. We are starting our 3 into a 4 into a 5, right? So we have a correction down, correction up, very elongated C leg, just like over on the BTC chart. Very elongated C leg on our smaller time frame ABC right there, right? Just want to make that clear for you. And looking to impulse to the downside. So we might start hitting, after a little retrace, quite low here. If you want to pull fibs, on Solana. On this, I would be targeting, if we are to get this extreme down move, these lower fibs down in here, guys. I mean, right down in here, that's going to be a 30% dump, 40% dump. You know, that's what I'm looking at. And then we can impulse up out of here. Ethereum, same thing. It's very real where we have a correction down. We have a correction up that broke the high. This whole freaking thing is a flat, guys. It is on the charts. It is on the charts. The 1-to-1 is down here at 2K. That's another 35% down. We're already basically halfway there, right? So, you know, it's on the charts. If we start hitting to the upside here on BTC and basically put in our... Here, let me go back to... Here, we'll do this chart. Okay, let me just refresh this. So if we get this look where it's just consolidating to the upside, what's that going to look like on Ethereum? I mean... For Ethereum, you're going to see some type of a breakout right here up towards 5K. That's what it's going to look like on Ethereum. And I'm just not confident. If I'm only playing the BTC chart, yeah, I'm saying we're getting this count. But if I'm looking at Ethereum, Solana, other alts, I'm seeing a big dump coming for them. So I'm kind of conflicted. I'm kind of conflicted right now, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. But for trading purposes on the smaller time frames, and guys, if you do want to trade this stuff, Blowfin is what we use. It's no KYC, no VPN, plenty of coins to trade, available in the United States, Canada. Everyone is using Blowfin now. They currently have Merry Coin Miss going on, so a bunch of free stuff if you want to check them out. And then also, we finally got back the best promotion. So the Chart Junkies community has the ladder promotion. These initial deposit bonuses are crazy. This one is the Christmas New Year's ladder deposit bonus. It goes all the way up to 100K. So take advantage of this while it's running through January 6th. Sign up using the link pinned in the first comment down below or code Chart Junkies, and you will get access to that additional initial deposit bonus, additional to what they already have running on a good day, right? It's the best one. Go take advantage of it now. Blowfin is what everyone's using. Let's go smaller time frame on this sucker. Looking at the 1 hour. Man, guys, I could really see a world in which this is a very complex correction down, correction up that broke the high, impulsive leg to the downside, a very complex flat correction, right? If we pull fibs on this, we are right in the 1618 box, beautifully bouncing off of that. We had an impulsive leg to the upside that looks great, and some type of corrective action to the downside. I hope there is liquidity down here, but I would hate to see it come and just, that would be evil if it came and just tap the low again. We are quite close. But my immediate thoughts is, hey, this is a very complex flat correction. Let's get an impulse up out of here up towards like 115K. Let's get that. And what's that going to do on something like the daily time frame? We did break out of this RSI trend line. So that is looking to get retested like so. We do have very momentous waves here on the momentum oscillator, and usually when you see this, you will see a spike to the highs again on the momentum in a more sharp manner, putting in some momentum divergence as well. So I am looking, and I would love to see another hit up towards 110, 115K here for BTC and really put in some divergences. At that point, we can put in, you know, a more of an extended time-wise and lengthwise correction, something like so. If it doesn't want to break up to 115, okay, no problem. Hey, you know, I still see at least some type of corrective move up back towards 100K on the chart. Liquidity has been taken here. We swept that. let's put in just at least an ABC correction here up to 110, back up to 100K, right? That looks great. And then if it wants to start pushing to the downside, so be it. It can do that. I have a beautiful leading impulsive wave to the downside. It really looks done, guys. I would hate for this to come and take out the low again, or be any type of extended wave forward. We do have the holidays coming up, so low volume, anything can really happen. But I want to see at least a corrective move, correcting this entire leg down. And then we can start, if we want to get real impulsive, we can start pushing to the downside from there. All right. What I'm hoping for is for this to get another impulsive leg to the upside up towards 115. But either way, I'm looking at a bounce here on this level. I want this to hold as support, at least intermediate support. All right. I will keep you guys updated in future videos. Make sure you check out Discord. I'm keeping the premium members updated as well. We did take a trade today. Took a couple days off when I was traveling. Didn't really see much going on anyways. Took a long shot today and got stopped out on that one. But I do love this area for long. I'm still looking long. I will keep them updated. Check out the premium Discord. Click upgrade here. And see how we implement Elliott wave theory into our trades. It is key. Once you learn the foundations of Elliott wave theory, it's key to learn how it is implemented. So check out the premium Discord. Trade safe, everyone. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Love you. Bye.